Here is one of my favorite wall mount sinks ever made. And I just think it's beautiful. This is beautiful. It's 19 by 17. And this wonderful backsplash protect the wall is just designed so well. And it's very, 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 very functional. I wish they were making something like this today. So it has the built-in splash guard right here where actually it's, you can see actually there's a ridge right there. So basically, so if you're splashing the sink and the sink would hit that splashing, bounce backwards, it wouldn't come at you. It takes more work to manufacture something like that these days. Again, it's just the perfect sink. It has no statement. It says, I'm here, I'm a sink. It's the backsplash. People really like backsplashes. Makes all the difference in the world. The center hole is small here. This for the pop-up rod. Modern pop-up rods often won't fit that hole. So then we drill it out for people if that becomes a situation. As far as the brackets are concerned, we custom make brackets here for individual sinks and when the brackets aren't available. So we do custom make brackets. We're a 1C, 2C shop. We don't do anything mass production. It just comes to us and we'll deal with it. We tell people plumbing only. No motorcycle parts. We'll do a hinge or two once in a while. But basically our forte is plumbing. Now, basically mounting something like this, you have, if you look at the back of the sink, in this case you have 3 holes. And in this case, this is a mounting hole that keeps the item from jumping up off the bracket. So these all keys it in place. This is a manufacturing hole. This is hollow, and as they emptied out the excess fluid in the mold before opening it, it had to escape someplace. So that's your escape hatch for the excess fluid. Now, in this case, we're very happy that we have the original bracket that came with the sink. That doesn't always happen. So it's on the wall, and so it's got these 2 tongues here, and then the key is right in place. You mount that to the wall, and you slip the sink onto the bracket. And then once it's on the bracket, you come through with a couple screws here and here. And those screws keeps it from being lifted up off the bracket. They have no other purpose. Again, that's a sample right here. Something like that. Comes through here. And once that's in place on both sides, it's not able to lift off of this bracket. Now this kind of bracket is not that common anymore. And so we have some other antique brackets here that I've been collecting. So these are just 2 individuals rather than being a 2-piece. Now you have 2 individual pieces. These are also very old. And again, they mount on the wall and it slips right in on each side. They slip right in. And again, slightly smaller version of the same thing. This is cast iron, so it's really strong. Slips right up underneath there. Slips right underneath there. So you basically, and then you have modern versions. This is a modern clip right here. And again, it goes on the wall, but against these 2 holes. So it's like this, and it slips up. And I often have longer ones of these. I just don't have any longer ones today. Here's another antique bracket, but it doesn't work. It's made for a different sink. And here's a modern version of the same thing right here. But it doesn't fit. You see, it's a different spacing. Again, the original bracket comes right up, keys in place. Standard K4 R. Again, slips right up in there and catches it. And then these holes down here And here, once that's engaged, it cannot go up. Standard. There it is. It's just the perfect sink. In my opinion, of course.